Living organisms are fascinatingly diverse, and taxonomy is the science that helps us make sense of it all. By examining characteristics like structure, behavior, and genetics, we can classify life into different taxa. Think of it as nature's own filing system. From the tiniest bacteria to the largest mammals, each group tells a story about evolution and adaptation. This classification not only helps scientists communicate about species, but also aids in conservation efforts. Understanding these relationships reveals the intricate web of life on our planet, reminding us that we're all part of a much larger ecosystem.